Alright guys, check this out. The Fractal Design Pop XL Air RGB. This case is seriously making waves, and for good reason. First off, the sheer size of this thing is impressive. It can handle pretty much any motherboard you throw at it, from mini IDX all the way up to massive EATX boards up to 280mm. So, future-proofing? Check. And speaking of showing off, the tempered glass side panel is crystal clear, giving you a perfect view of all your hard-earned components. You know, those RGB fans you spend hours picking out? They'll be shining bright in this bad boy. Speaking of fans, it comes with 4 120mm aspect RGB fans pre-installed, and you can add 2 more if you want to max out the airflow. Trust me, with support for up to a 360mm radiator in the front, a 280mm up top, and a 140mm in the rear, you can build a seriously cool running system in here. Storage? Don't even worry about it. This case can hold up to 4 hard drives and 6 SSDs. Or, if you're old school and still rocking an optical drive, you can swap one of those HDD bays for it. Fractal even included 2 hidden 5.25-inch bays with a storage drawer and a magnetic cover. It's like they thought of everything. Now let's talk aesthetics. The Pop XL Air RGB comes in this sleek black finish, and the overall design is clean and modern. It's not overly flashy, but it's definitely got that premium Fractal design feel. And the RGB fans, of course, add a touch of personality. You can customize the lighting to match your setup, and it looks fantastic. But here's the kicker, the price. This case offers incredible value for the money. You're getting a ton of features, excellent build quality, and plenty of room for expansion, all at a price that won't break the bank. If you're looking for a spacious, well-designed case with great airflow and RGB lighting, the Fractal Design Pop XL Air RGB is definitely worth checking out. It's a solid contender for one of the best budget PC cases on the market right now. Seriously, this thing is a steal. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.